Hey, so I put up a video yesterday on what clamp I should use on the newly designed Paulk Total Station Ultralight, the PTSU. So I don't have to say that over and over. The miter extensions, how they connect. And I had a really good way to do it on the Total Station, the current model, but I wanted to beef it up a bit, along with a couple of other minor adjustments to the design. So I put it out there. I got like 23 comments. I got some separate emails as well. I hope I say this right. Joakim sent me one, and it's such a cool idea. Using one of the clamps, the one that I was leaning toward, to make a pocket hole for it. So there it is. So I take this clamp. It's got enough bend in it, and I think too, if it didn't have enough, I could rebend it a little bit. Simply cut a pocket hole. Then it would just go neatly in there and pull back tight. But what I thought I would do to keep the wood strong is after I drill the pocket hole, I'll find a washer that fits perfect, and I'll glue it or screw it into there, so that the metal part of the clamp will be pushing against metal. Love this idea. So there's nothing hanging off of this. I'm not adding anything to it. I can't put those little clips on this from all of the other clamp styles out there that have the clip, you know, with a bail or something that hooks on the poles, because there's no place to put the clip on the receiving side without it sticking down from the surface of the extension. And that's a non-starter for me. Number one, like I said yesterday, I'd have to notch this so it could go through. That's extra work. And also, then I'd have this piece sticking out that, you know, when I'm loading it, I'd have to take that in consideration. It wouldn't lay as flat. Also, if I'm moving them around, maybe I might bump something or lay it on a surface, whatever. I don't want anything sticking out, not on the bench. The bench is completely smooth, flat, flush, nothing on it when it's taken apart. And then these extensions the same way. Joakim, a simple little idea, but fantastic. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you'll get to see how it works out. So one more thing. A really cool, innovative, awesome, amazing tool was sent to me. And earlier today, I opened it up, set it up, tested it a little bit so I'd know how to show it to you. And it is absolutely cool. You're gonna flip over this thing. Now, it's not my tool. I saw it. I think one of my viewers mentioned it. I contacted the company and I said, hey, can you send me a demo unit just to make a quick video, and I'll send it back. So they're not paying me for it, and they obviously have some expense. They're paying the shipping both ways, because the thing weighs in shipping like 100 pounds. I think the tool itself weighs 75. It's pretty cool. So I got all set up. I got the camera set up. I tested it out. I wanted to know all the parts and pieces and get the minor bit of assembly done so it's ready to go. And it's charged, so you know it's got a battery. And I had a big smile on my face when I was playing with this tool. So if you want to see that video, or you want to keep following along with the Paulk Total Station Ultralight and then the build down in the shop, then be sure to subscribe. We have an Amazon store, link to it down below. If you click on that link, you can shop. All the tools, materials, and things in there are all stuff that I use personally. But if you click through to that link and you don't buy one of the tools that I have there and you go do something else, Amazon still gives us just a little teeny piece, and they don't charge you any extra. So it helps support the channel. And if you want a set of Paulk Total Station plans or the Smart Wood Shop, you can also click on the link right here in the video or in the description down below. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.